Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Monday seems to be started on a bad note for equity markets all around the world. Every single index is falling. Major reason behind this fall is that we may see another lockdowns in few countries, especially Asian countries. In India, we have already started seeing local lockdowns in smaller part of the countries. Even my current state, which I reside in Maharashtra, we have started following few lockdown guidelines in some smaller cities. Currently I'm in Mumbai, so I do not face any lockdown, but yes, I have already received guidelines from the government that we may see another lockdown if coronavirus cases does not stop rising. Since few days coronavirus cases are rising, hence we may see another lockdowns in many countries. Now this is the fear which is gripping since morning, and this is the result of major decline in equity markets. Currently Dow Jones is trading 31,280. Now let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend of the market. Dow Jones resistance stands at 31,520. Dow Jones support stands at 30,900. Currently Dow Jones is trading in weak zones, so avoid going for buy. But if Dow Jones break 31,520 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect Dow Jones to test around 31,700 and even 32,000. I have posted weekly Dow Jones analysis and almost long-term analysis that when Dow Jones can fall. If you haven't watched it yet, you can watch my previous video I have posted on this channel. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. Here it is, Nasdaq. Currently it is trading 13,380. It made low of 370, so almost it is trading lowest point of the day. Quickly have a look at resistance and support. This is the major US index. This is the worst performing US index among all three. So let's have a resistance and support. Nasdaq resistance stands at 13,600. Nasdaq support at 13,200. Currently Nasdaq is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. But if Nasdaq breaks 13,600 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect 13,750 and 14,000. Now let's move on to S&P 500. After that we will see Euro, Gold and Bitcoin. This is S&P 500 chart. Currently it is trading 38.73. It made low of 38.65. The current high is 39.18. So it has crashed beautifully from the highs. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support. S&P 500 resistance stands at 39.10. S&P 500 support stands at 38.60. Currently S&P is also in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. But if S&P break 39.10 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect S&P to test around 39.40, even 39.70. Now let's move on to see the gold chart. After that we will see Euro and Bitcoin. As soon as gold heard that there could be some lockdowns in the world again, gold has started rising again. It made high around 1799 and currently it is trading 1794. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Gold resistance stands at 1802. Gold support stands at 1780. Currently gold is trading in weak gold is trading in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if gold breaks 1780 and manage to sustain below 1780, then expect gold to test around 1760 and 1750. If you haven't watched my weekly gold analysis yet, you can watch on my Hindi channel. I have given my Hindi channel link in description. Even if you don't understand Hindi, you will be able to get the levels, because I type levels in notepad just like I type levels here in notepad. Now let's move on to Euro. This is Euro chart. It had broke 2100, which was the support in my morning video. but it did not sustain, but still it have given a good breakout to assess the sell. Currently it has entered in weak zone until unless it does not break our support. So what is the resistance to avoid the euro to enter in positive zone? Let's quickly find out. Euro resistance stands at 21.45. This is the resistance. If euro break this resistance and manage to sustain above 21.45, then expect euro to test around 2200. Euro support stands at 2090. If euro break 2090 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect euro to test further lower levels up to 2040 and 2010. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin chart. If you have watched my morning video, I have already suggested that Bitcoin is trading in weak zone. That time Bitcoin was trading $55,000. Currently it is trading $53,000. It made low of 52,720. Let's quickly find out the resistance and support. Bitcoin resistance stands at $57,500. Bitcoin support at $51,000. Currently Bitcoin is trading in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. But if Bitcoin break 57,500 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect Bitcoin to test around $60,000 and $65,000. If you have enjoyed this video and find this video useful, do not forget to press the like button. Consider subscribing my YouTube channel for future updates. If you want to avail my buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye, and always trade with stop loss.